I just recorded an insanely profitable trading session. But there's one problem. I completely forgot to explain the strategy. I was so focused on trading that I just kept stacking trades and cashing profits without giving a single explanation. So I'll fix that right now. I started doing research on a strategy that I could use that is also beginner friendly. It's a strategy that I wanted to present in this video, but I forgot. In this video, I'll break down the strategy and show you real examples so that you could use it too. And if you're curious to see the first video where I trade like a machine with zero explanation, let me know in the comments down below. If we get 20 likes, I'll post it. Alright, let's get straight to the point. Okay, so we are on my account. As you can see the closed trades, it was a really good session. Got 9 profitable trades, only 2 losses. And I think I even got into the top world. Let me just check. Yeah, right there. I'm in the top 14 in the world with just 15 minutes of trading. Now I'll explain the indicators. Why does it work? In order to use this strategy, you need to add 2 moving averages and 1 RSI. For the moving average, you will place the first one at 50, EMA in red, and the second one needs to be at 25, EMA in green. Now that you have everything set up, we can get started. The RSI and moving average act like a wall. So, in this example, the market comes from above. It means that the moving averages and the RSI act as support. So we will be taking an upward trade. I took my trade, now let's wait to see how it goes. We still see that the moving averages are valid and that the RSI is still on his 50 line. While waiting for the trade to end, I invite you to try this strategy. By using the link in the description below, you will get plus 50% bonus on your investment, free access to my strategies and copy trading, and you can start off with a strong investment and strong analysis. And as you can see, the trade has closed and it was unsuccessful, so I will continue to look for another good opportunities. Now I'm exploring a different market and I'll be waiting for a good opportunity to make a good trade. Here we have the RSI, but not the moving averages, so we will not be taking any trades here. Here we have a good opportunity. As you see, the RSI gets closer and closer to his line, and we get closer and closer to the moving averages. I just waited for a good entry point. Patience is the most important thing in trading. You can have a good analysis, but if your entry point sucks, you will lose. Let's wait and see. Finally, the candle went up, so I'll take my trade in the downward direction. As you can see here, there is a perfect correlation between the M3 and M2, so I took a trade because the RSI and moving averages in the M3 are still valid. It's a basic correlation. It's okay if you don't know how to do it. It's just an opportunity that I didn't want to miss. Just know that you can copy all of my trades for absolutely free. Message me on Telegram, tell me that you want to join, and I will add you to my VIP group. In my VIP group, you will get my advanced strategies and my copy trading that made me top 10 in the world. It's totally free. All the links are in the description down below, and I'll see you on Telegram. Now I'll get into explaining the indicators. I don't really like when people just show the indicators without explaining why it works or what it does, because that makes it very hard to implement when you're a beginner. Moving averages and the RSI act like support and resistance. That's all you need to understand from those indicators. And it's also the only thing you need to know in order to win.